Dr. Flore Lindor La Tortue. I'm a professional business consultant and a radio host. Our services range from advertising, marketing, hosting, and event planning. Call me right now, 786-521-7321. Nous vous offrons des services en français, en anglais, en espagnol et en créole. Relez-moi en 786-521-7321. Votre mariage, des activités sociales, débats, commentaires, ça c'est nous. 786-521-7321. Hey everybody, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are on earth. This is your audio session with the author. I appreciate your feedback. I'm learning from your feedback, but what I like the most is that you are reacting to the audio, because I think what the humble comment that I received is that you did not expect that it was gonna be so up close and personal of me, the author, with you, where you can see my passion, where you can see my face, where also you are listening to my voice while I'm reading and bringing the short version of Gadi Tetu with you and to you. I'm Dr. Marie-Flore Lindor La Tortue. If this is the first time you are listening and also watching that, what I call the Gadi Tetu audio version. Gadi Tetu is this book that I published in 2020. And beyond a book, Gadi Tetu is an applied behavior. It's a philosophy, and you don't need to really follow the chapters because it is an essay. If you miss chapter 1, trust me, and you just pick up the audio of the topic of interest, you just listen to it and you find, and I appreciate that delayed gratification where you go on Amazon and purchase your copy. Then, you know, it's with innovation, everything is possible. Okay, when the book was published, I didn't have no book signing. Then I created Book Talk. Then so far, readers will be my guests on my show, and we will have a open critic, because critics help us grow. It helps us implement and nurture our wisdom. Okay, here we go for chapter 2. And remember, the audio is culturally diverse, where I flip from Creole to English, English to Creole, keeping the authenticity of the message, because I'm of Haitian descent, proud, not descent. I'm born in Haiti, I'm Haitian, but the book is in English, then that makes it global. Okay, chapter 2, it's a chapter that I encourage parents to read first alone, couples or family. When I say parents, remember, and one of the chapters we're gonna go when we discuss families, that it can be just one mono-parent, a grandma or one auntie, depending of who raised you. Okay, it's not necessarily daddy, mommy, and the children. Okay, and also the adolescent stage that we are sharing today will also welcome you to sit with your child and have a discussion on it and about it. Adolescent, page 5, Gadi Tetu. Okay, let me see. Of all the memories of my childhood, I recall my sweet 16 celebration at the best. It was when I could be myself at home in the company of my parents and the company of my parents, okay? And invite all my friends, okay? Sa chapitre 2, introduction, on dit, yon nan pi bon moment l'âge adolescence. Moi, adolescence, moi, que c'est lui-même, y aurait les ici teenager, c'est l'MT vin gen 16 ans, ok? Jou que j'ai 16 ans, yo te fait une fête pour moi. côté que parents t'es là, zanmim, t'es invité et nous t'es partagé au moment, pas de bagay en cachette, que parents, par contre zanmion, par contre parents. This take me to share with you one aspect of the Haitian culture. As adolescent, then I was fortunate enough when I turned 16, and that is also a very similar approach with the Latin culture. They celebrate the 16 and also American Sweet 16. Then being humankind, you see, guys, there's always something that connects us. Then the celebration of the 16th anniversary, birthday, okay? Then, and at that celebration, then the essence of family is essential. The presence and the life of the child is essential. Then it was not much about spending money, but it was the company, the fellowship, the parenthood, the neighborhood, the celebrations, okay? Then I continue, still page 5. My parents were very strict, especially my dad, who believed that his daughters, because we were 3 at first, my sister, Karen, that I acknowledged and dedicated the book to, who passed at 25. And but Papi was, you know, as most Haitian fathers, okay, girls cannot be friends with boys. Very stigmatic and old-fashioned thinking. Guys were not welcome unless parents were home. Okay, my mother, on the other hand, never believed, and you know, the thing of spending the night out. Okay, those are cultural. Here, the adolescent age in the US is much more challenging. Okay, and if you hear a background noise, it's the guy doing the grass. Okay, but we need to focus. I don't want to stop it. Okay, then even at the adolescent age, my family had a motto. Okay, then there is a time to visit friends, but there's a time also to be home. Gon lè pour sortir, gon lè pour rentrer la caille. Okay? Then these values are essential and they are part of foundation. The things and the values that you instill in your children at the foundation, they may not keep them, okay? But as parents, you still have to do your very best. This is why I go back to you. There's a table on Women, page 6, where I put adolescents from 13 to 18. This is that stage in life. The youth seeks for the look. Okay, nous plus intéressés, l'enjeu nous paraît, l'enjeu nous y est, c'est là, ça n'a fait développement physique nous, et puis n'a cherché attention tout à l'âge ça. Then, pas un livre qui dit que chaque parent doit élever petit yo dans l'adolescence. Chaque expérience parle, c'est pour faire li. Parce que moi-même, ça veut dire que malgré un psychologue, c'est chaque jour m'a pas apprendre à ti monsieur. Et puis chaque petit monde gagne tempérament pareil, caractéristique pareil. C'est pour ouvert pour apprendre tout avec changement, avec la vie. Mommy always taught us it is not the quantity of friends that you have that matters, but but also the quality. Parents cap gade, cap tende audio ça, acheter livre li chapitre 2 avec petit tout l'adolescence là, parce que pour ti moun nan connaît dès la base la fondation, c'est pas quantité zanmil gagné, quantité moun follower gagné là YouTube, là Instagram qui définit moun que lié et moun li envié. Qualité relation dans la vie très important. Et pour ka ouais tout gen de moun qu'on connaît de pour l'autre l'école ti 4-4. J'aurais été bien avant toujours. One of the blessings that I have is that my classmates are we're still friends. We don't know these things of them being acquaintance because they know the vices, the mœurs, les mœurs, si nous ka dire comme ça, then they know you, and there's that a sense of love. Okay, they're all real friends. Like for example, my classmates like Betty, Barbara, Fabi, Marika. We may not talk every day, but whether we met when we were 5 years old or 13 years old, 5 years old, c'est externe, 13 ans, Sacré-Cœur, à dire que nous toujours été bien. Parce que being friends, when we get to that chapter, it's a practice. It has to be cultivated. Okay. Then I went and shared also that I think I had my first kiss when I was 13. Now kids more open. I think they feel the desire to discover, but that's the time also parents to initiate the sexual education and being fearless. Both parents may not see things the same way, or if you're a single parent, but you still need to do it. It's not the school responsibility to do it, even though the school he's trying its best, but you have to also aim to have an open conversation with your adolescent. While they are rebellious, they also express fears because now in school, the ongoing bully, the threats, and then our schools are trying their best, their very best, but sometimes it is too much, okay? And also mental health at that stage is essential. You need to address it at home. This is why dialogue is essential with your children. Also, I spoke about neighbors, relationship with the neighbors. Then if you have a level of trust with your neighbors, they will be watching for you and over your kids. Then those are decisions that you have to make. Then that's it. This chapter is very short, but I'm asking you to pause, parents, and I'm open. You can write me if you have any challenges that you're facing. We can reflect on them. And also, maybe your adolescents do not feel comfortable to talk to you at one point. My kids, one of them had to discover himself, felt much better to talking to my husband. Then I'm raising boys, then I had to let it be and I had to learn. But at the same time, when all the boys need other things that they felt comfortable, I'm always open. Then and I learn, and I'm still in a learning mode, you know. Then I want to also share that at 18, it was a big shock for us when our son wanted to leave the house to go live with friends. Then while my husband was open to that, which was last year, for me, it was a haha moment or no moment as a Haitian mom. But you know, 1 year later, then I've been present, know the location, talk to him every day, still leave my home open for him to come and things like that. And now 1 year later, you realize that working at Publix, he was 18, making only $800. li pas kakebe. Qui tu monde qui a $800 par mois, kakebe, après on va pas de $400 Zambi, et puis ensuite après ça pour le manger, etc. Then kids go to those transformation during adolescenthood, and we parents, we have to be open to learn, and learn. I welcome your questions, and I'm stopping here, but at the end of each chapter, I have motivational thought, and for chapter 2, here you go. The adolescent stage is fragile. Parents should be in control. L'âge Timon 13 ans à 18 ans sont l'âge qui est très fragile. Parents, des pour capable, c'est pour mettre parents sous pour capable bien contrôle petit. I'm Dr. Berry Flor Lindor La Tortue, Dr. Flo Panoa. I'm happy that I had the opportunity to be in your house, for you to listen to me when you're driving, if you choose the YouTube audio, the link, subscribe, okay? And comments, critique, most definitely buy your copy. Until we meet again for chapter 3, take care.
I'm Dr. Flor Lindor La Tortue. I'm a professional business consultant and a radio host. Our services range from advertising, marketing, hosting, and event planning. Call me right now, 786-521-7321. Nous vous offrons des services en français, en anglais, en espagnol et en créole. Relez-moi en 786-521-7321. Votre mariage, des activités sociales, débats, commentaires, ça c'est nous. 786-521-7321.